Hello traders. In this video I will show you how to connect trading MetaTrader to MQL5.com. The advantage of connecting a trading account to MQL5.com is that we can analyze trading history. Analyzing past trading history is very important to help understand how trading results have been achieved in the past, and also to help improve the trading strategy currently being used. Here are some reasons why analyzing past trading history is so important. 1. Knowing the history of performance. By analyzing trading history, we can find out the history of our trading performance and identify patterns that can help in making future trading decisions. 2. Finding mistakes. By analyzing trading history, we can find mistakes that have been made in the past. This can help improve your trading skills and avoid making the same mistakes in the future. 3. Improve trading strategy. By analyzing trading history, we can find out what has worked and not worked in the past. This can help improve the trading strategy currently being used and make better trading decisions in the future. 4. Measuring risk and return. By analyzing trading history, we can measure the risk and return of each trade. This can help in determining the acceptable amount of risk in each trade as well as determining the right position size. In all, analyzing past trading history is a very important thing for every trader to help improve trading performance in the future. Okay, let's go straight to the tutorial. First you have to create an account at MQL5.com. The method is quite easy. I assume you already have an account at MQL5.com. Click Signals. Then select My Signals. And click Create Signal. There are two choices whether you will publish your trading history or you want to private your trading history. Here I want the private setting. Enter name. I will give the name Scalping Daily. According to the terminal you are using. Then enter the MetaTrader ID and investor password. Select the broker you use. Here I use XM Broker. And save when finished. Okay, here I have successfully connected my MetaTrader account to MQL5.com. But it doesn't sync right away. It takes time to sync. Wait about 30 minutes to an hour and see the results. All trading history will be read. I think that's enough for the video on how to connect a MetaTrader account to MQL5.com. Thanks for watching till the end.